A poll by Ipsos UK found 56% of Brits think it likely Labour leader Keir Starmer will replace Rishi Sunak in Downing Street at the next election, while just 28% of voters disagreed. A majority of Brits expect Keir Starmer to be the next Prime Minister, as voters paint a bleak picture for the Tories. A poll by Ipsos UK found 56% think it is likely the Labour leader will replace Rishi Sunak in Downing Street at the next election, while just 28% of voters disagreed. It equaled Mr. Starmer's highest score on this measure in October 2022, during the collapse of 49-day PM Liz Truss government. The Labour leader outpolled Mr. Sunak on favourability by 30 points to 27, and scored higher than the PM on all but 3 of 12 key traits, including who was more capable, honest and experienced. Some 37% of voters thought Mr. Starmer was in touch with ordinary people, compared to just 17% for the Tory leader. Asked whether the two leaders understood the problems facing Britain, with 47% backed Mr. Starmer against 32% for Mr. Sunak. The Labour leader also had a 6-point lead on whether he would make the country a better place. Of the 12 traits, Mr. Sunak triumphed in 2, leading by 1 point on whether they had a lot of personality and by 5 points on being good in a crisis. The pair drew with 37% on whether they pay attention to detail. One small boost for Mr. Sunak was that voters were clearer about what he stands for than the Labour leader by 52% to 46%. The poll of 1,038 British adults, conducted between August 11 and 14, offered further misery for the Tories, as 53% had an unfavourable image of the party. Just 23% of people saying they had a positive image of the Tories. Only Reform UK, formerly Nigel Farage's Brexit party, fared worse. Labour was only party to have a net positive favourability rating of +4, as 38% had a positive view compared to 34% who felt negatively towards them. Kieran Pedley, Ipsos Director of Politics, said, "As it stands, the British public expect Keir Starmer to be Prime Minister. A majority are unfavourable towards the Conservative Party, and Starmer leads Rishi Sunak on several key leadership traits." However, with many still unsure what Starmer himself stands for, the Labour leader will hope he can set out a compelling vision for the country in the coming months to seal the deal with the electorate.